Alright guys, so today I'm going to be hacking in Roblox, but no, I'm not going to be hacking, don't worry. I'm going to be pretending to be hacking with this emote right here. Oh, I'm so sad. Yeah, everyone thinks this means that you hack, I don't know why. Also this. If you copy and paste this, and then if you do that and then you do the emote, and people will think you're hacking. It's just common sense in Bed Wars. Now people think I'm hacking, so I'm just gonna leave. So I'm gonna do Bed Wars Classic, F to join. I'm gonna do solos, and then basically there's a glitch block you can get. Like there's a glitch block inside Roblox Bed Wars. And by the way, I'm not hacking. I'm doing a glitch, and I'm using an emote that a 5-year-old made probably. Can someone buy me Vulcan kit? I have one answer for that. No. But yeah, if you're gonna probably if you're excited for today's video, make sure to like and subscribe and everything. Oh, also make sure to change your name to I just didn't do that. So now what I have to do is no, everyone's going to be thinking. Alright, yeah, I know. I'm probably going to get reported. I'm buff slender. Are people going to think I'm hacking? Alright, first step, grab blocks. Next step, go to inventory. Next step, do this. Then that. Oh. Yeah, sure, get my bed. Nobody cares. Bro. That's stupid. Okay, I'm playing again. I didn't really get a chance to do the thing because these guys rushed right at the start of the game. Bro, everyone thinks I'm faking it. Oh my god, my dog. Alright, I thought this would go in a more different way. If Tanker didn't make that video on it, then like okay. Yeah, this server better believe it. Okay. Please. Wait, is this actually the server? If you report me, I will hack your account. I need to make something. I will use that bridge. Oh, I forgot to do this stupid glitch. I'm actually stupid. Hacker, wait, no. Pink, you're trolling. What are you talkings about, bro? I'm literally totally hacking. Totally. By the way, guys, please don't report me for this. I'm not hacking. Not hacking. Wait, let me just go. Oh, nah, the glitch block noise. Bro. They're actually coming. Oh. If he comes, I'll use it. Okay, that's cool. I like that. By the way, it's just a glitch. I'm not actually hacking. I probably said that before, but yo, green. Alright, let me test that. Yo, wait, will this work? Yo, I can just infinitely spam this. That is overpowered. That is literally overpowered. So someone's coming. That's actually OP. Okay. I can't mess around with this too much. I need to get armor first, obviously. So, this glitch block is literally all I need. Okay, hold on. So you're saying, so if I just stay at my base, wait, let me just say it again. Yes. Another troller. Alright, bro, okay, please, bro, how are these guys not believing it? No! Nice troll, bro. Okay, so basically, no one's really buying it. Stop targeting me. I need to rush people and do this. Wait, game micro. Okay. So basically, I need to not make this obvious. No, I will.
Did you remember?
Oh, okay. Now I need to do the glitch. Okay, let me. What? This is a bad aim. Okay, this guy's dumb. Hacker. Okay, yeah. You might be right about something once in your life. I didn't die. You sure that's what hacking means, bro? I don't know if that's what hacking means. Hacking doesn't mean that you didn't die. Okay. Now I have my glitch block, please. Do I have my glitch block? Is it gonna work? Bro, okay, good, it's gonna work. Can I infinitely build with it? Is it gonna not do that? Okay, that's stupid. But who cares? So I can just do that. Give me the top, okay. Give me the top. Okay, bro, Bro, okay, I suck at this. I'm bad at hacking. I know that sounds really dumb. Yes. Tower. Bad again. Oh gosh. Has this guy ever seen that guy? Yo, do you like that? Do you like that, bro? Do you like that? Sorry, it is fit. Bro. I watched Tanker. Imagine. I need to find one good reaction out of this. There's $1 my friend gave me for this email, or like part of the dollar. Oh yo. Bro, I suck at this. Bro, this doesn't work. I need it. Oh my god, I suck at this. Noob. Bro. This guy's dead. Dude, okay, this is okay. You know what? I'm going into a duels match. I want to see if I can find it and like find some good reactions in a duels match. Like, honestly, I thought that everyone would think I'm hacking, but now that Tanker posted that video on it, like, I almost wish he didn't, but then again, like, that's the only way I knew about that glitch. So, like, if I go duels, see what kind of reactions we get out of people. Alright. Me that, and then where is everyone? But if this guy thinks I watched the Tanker vid, he will be wrong. Or reset myself. Chad, come show them. Oh, easy. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I'm actually friends with a Roblox Bedwars hacker. So actually know what hacking looks like. So technically, if I just go right up here. So you basically just have to mine this and then say. Just do it quickly. Okay, nice, and then we'll just go. Alright, bet. Now I have the block. Yo, wanna see something cool? Wanna see something cool? Yeah, I'm hacking. That's it. How you hacking Roblox Bedwars? Yes. Wait, is there an actual hacker in this? Wait. There might actually be an actual hacker in this. Yo, there's an actual hacker in this? There's an actual hacker in this? Oh, shoot. This is so funny. But there's an actual hacker in this, so technically it's hacker v hacker. Bro, I love how there's an actual hacker in this. He just took 10. Oh no, that was me. So basically, just take the. Alright, now I need to run because there's an actual hacker in the game. I don't want to die. Is he coming out? Oh shoot, they're coming after me. Yeah, bro. Yeah, that guy's an actual hacker. That's funny. How I found that. Alright, so I tried in duels and I actually found myself against another hacker, which was kind of funny. But now I'm basically doing it in lobby to see if anyone can find him. Can you not say that? ABC to be in the party. Someone see him was like, can you see ABC? Oh my god, I want a hacker on my team. Okay, I know those are voice crack, but like, still. Does anyone want to be in a party with a hacker? I'm not a hacker, by the way. Like, I'm just a normal player playing the game as a big boy. Yes. No one wants to be in my party. I have no friends. Drop a like if you have friends.